are freezing on my cold cheeks. Tickets in hand, one way to go, leaving behind everything I know. I'm catching the last train out of your heart before the whole world falls apart. Wheels on the track, rhythmic slow, taking me places where you cannot go. Goodbye to the station of us. Looking through windows at blurring lights, thinking of all of our wasted fights. I wanted to stay, I wanted to try, but the whistle is blowing its final cry. I'm catching the last train out of your heart before the whole world falls apart. Wheels on the track, rhythmic and slow, taking me places where you cannot go. Goodbye to the station of us. Wrote my heart on a page from a book, folded it up with the chances I took, sent it gliding across the room to you, hoping it lands, hoping it flies true. It's a paper plane, love, fragile and light, caught in the breeze, taking its flight. Will it crash down or soar to the sky? I'm just a fool, waiting for a reply. Oh, don't let my paper heart get wet in the rain. You picked it up with a curious smile, read every word, stayed for a while. No heavy anchors, no strings attached, just a simple feeling that we had. It's a paper plane, love, fragile and light, caught in the breeze, taking its flight. Will it crash down or soar to the sky? I'm just a fool, waiting for a reply. Oh, don't let my paper heart get wet in the rain. They say nothing grows in this great embrace, just steel and stone in a crowded space. I saw a flower crack through the floor, blooming right there by the grocery store. In this concrete garden we find a way, turning the night into a brand new day. Roots go deep even when it's hard, finding the beauty in a broken heart. Yeah, yeah, we are the roses in the dark. Sirens are singing a lullaby song. We keep on moving, we keep standing strong, watered by rain from the storm clouds above, surviving on hope and a little bit of love. In this concrete garden we find a way, turning the night into a brand new day. Roots go deep even when it's hard, finding the beauty in a broken heart. Yeah, we are the roses in the dark.
Yeah. Yeah. Checking my watch, it's 1:45. Shadows are dancing, thinking of you. You said you were home, fast asleep in your bed, but I see your location is flashing in red. You got a midnight alibi, spinning your life. I see the secrets hidden deep in your eyes. The city is talking, the rhythm is cold, a story of us that will never be told. Oh, midnight alibi, who are you with tonight? Glass full of whiskey, smells thing down. King of the castle, but lost in the town. Your phone is buzzing, but you let it ring. Caught in the web of this dangerous thing. You got a midnight alibi, spinning your life. I see the secrets hidden deep in your eyes. The city is talking, the rhythm is cold, a story of us that will never be told. Oh, midnight alibi, who are you with tonight?
Same corner table, order for one. Watching the people, the day has begun. I see a jacket that looks just like yours, but it's just a stranger walking through doors. I'm sitting here with a coffee shop ghost, toasting a memory ghost of who we used to be. The barista asks if I'm waiting for you. I smile and say no, just passing through. But truth is I'm haunted by laughter and talk, tracing your shadow in chalk on the walk. I'm sitting here with the coffee shop ghost, toasting the memories I miss the most. The steam rises up like a fading dream. Nothing is ever as real as it seems. Just me and the ghost of who we used to be.
Driving too fast down the boulevard, trying to forget that you hit me hard. Lights blur together in a stream of blue. Every street sign reminds me of you. Crying neon tears in the passenger seat, heart skipping beats to the radio heat. It's a beautiful night for a heartbreak drive, feeling so dead, but I've never felt more alive. Let the neon tears wash it all away. Stop at the light, look at the moon. Did we burn out? Did we end too soon? The colors reflect on the wet pavement floor. I don't even know what I'm crying for. Crying neon tears in the passenger seat, heart skipping beats to the radio heat. It's a beautiful night for a heartbreak drive, feeling so dead, but I've never felt more alive. Let the neon tears wash it all away. Static on the line, words unspoken, promises made and promises broken. I tune in to find where you went, but all I get is the time we spend. We are stuck on a silent frequency. You can't hear me and I can't see. The signal is lost in the dead of the night. Neither one of us wants to win this fight. Just static noise where love used to be. I hold the phone like a loaded gun, waiting for a voice that never comes. Disconnect, reconnect, it's all the same. I'm just whispering your name in vain. We are stuck on a silent frequency.
can't see. You can't hear me and I can't see. The signal is lost in the dead of the night. Neither one of us wants to win this fight. Just static noise where love used to be. Platform is empty, the announcer speaks. Tears are freezing on my cold cheeks. Tickets in hand, one way to go, leaving behind everything I know. I'm catching the last train out of your heart before the whole world falls apart. Wheels on the track, rhythmic and slow, taking me places where you cannot go. Goodbye to the station of us. Looking through windows at blurring lights, thinking of all of our wasted fights. I wanted to stay, I wanted to try, but the whistle is blowing its final cry. I'm catching the last train out of your heart before the whole world falls apart. Wheels on the track, rhythmic and slow, taking me places where you cannot go. Goodbye to the station of us. Sepia dawns on a sunny day, watching the memories fade to gray. We look so happy in the photograph. I can almost hear your distant laugh. Living life through a vintage filter. Everything's soft, everything's kilter, grainy and blurred, but beautiful too. That's how I choose to remember you. A classic movie that ends too soon. Dust on the land. is on film, lost in a world, a different realm. The colors were bright, but now they are muted. Our love was a song, sadly disputed. Living life through a vintage filter. Everything's soft, everything's kilter, grainy and blurred, but beautiful too. That's how I choose to remember you. A classic movie that ends too soon.
Clouds are gathering, dark and gray. Looks like the sun took a holiday. People are running, seeking some cover, but I'm walking slow with my lover. I got an umbrella big enough for two, staying dry right here next to you. Let the rain fall, let the storm blow. In this little shelter we take it slow, shoulder to shoulder, keeping it warm. Puddles are forming on the street, but a rhythm of rain is kind of sweet. Word is chaotic, wet and cold, but your hand is the only thing I hold. I got an umbrella big enough for two, staying dry right here next to you, right here next to you. Let the rain fall, let the storm blow. In this little shelter we take it slow, shoulder to shoulder, keeping it warm. Oh yeah,
Scroll, 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 I'm losing my mind. Comparing my life to the best I can find. Filters and angles, it's all just a show. I need to disconnect, I need to go. I'm on a digital detox, turning it off. No more liking, no more calls. Yeah, logging out of the drama, logging into me. Finally breathing, finally free. Put the phone down, look at the sky. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Notifications are driving me mad. Chasing the happy, feeling the sad. I want to touch grass, I want to feel sun. Real life is waiting and I've just begun. I'm on a digital detox, turn it off. No more calls, logging out of the drama, logging into me. Finally on down, look at the sky.